Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Farahin binti Zulkifli. My number matric is 1202578. This is my video assignment for subject SMA2013. For question 1, you deposit 1000 ringgit into an account earning an annual effective rate of 5%, but with interest payable only at the end of each 6 months. After how many years will the account balance be at least 2000 ringgit? From the given questions, we get that the principal K is equal to 1000 ringgit, the annual effective rate of interest I equal to 5%, which is 0.05. The interest is payable only at the end of each 6 months, meaning that the interest is paid 2 times in a year. The accumulated value AV equals to 2000 ringgit. The number of times interest is compounded yearly, N equals to 2. The time is what we are looking for. Formula for this question is using compounded interest. AV equals to K in bracket 1 plus I over N to the power of N times with T. To answer these questions, we must substitute the given values into the formula. We get that 2000 ringgit is equal to 1000 ringgit in bracket 1 plus 0.05 over 2 to the power of 2 times with t. And then we will get that t equals to 14. Hence, it will take approximately 14 years for the account balance to be at least 2000 ringgit. Moving on to question 2. Deposits are made at the beginning of each year for 25 years to an account that earns a 5% annual effective interest rate. The initial deposit at time 0 is 1000 ringgit. Starting with the second deposit and continuing to the 10th deposit, the amount of each deposit is 500 ringgit larger than previous one. Then in 11th through 15th years, each deposit is 200 ringgit smaller than the previous deposit. After 15 years, each of the remaining deposits are 6% smaller than the preceding deposit. What will the account balance be at the end of 25 years? For these questions, I use Microsoft Excel to ease my calculation. I construct 5 columns, which are year, opening balance, additional investment, interest, and the closing balance. For year 1, we have the additional investment equals to 1000 ringgit, which is the initial deposit. The interest is 5% times 1000 equals to 50 ringgit. The closing balance will be 1000 plus 50 equals to 1050 is the closing balance for year 1, which is also equal to the opening balance for year 2. The additional investment for year 1 until year 10 it has 500 ringgit increment, and then for year 11 until year 16 until year 15 it has 200 ringgit decrement, and then from year 16 to year 25 the deposit is 6% smaller than previous deposit, meaning that it is 64% of the previous deposit. And then using this calculation, we get that at the end of year 25, the closing balance is equal to 174,000 and 174,243 ringgit. And that is from me. Thank you.